Farthings Dry Cleaners with my lovely assistant,
Lawrence!
We're here today to talk to you about moth.
So how do we know, first of all, that you've got a moth problem?
When a customer comes in and I feel that they've got moth, I almost feel like it's like a white, almost like cobwebby little areas on the garment. To me, that's an indication which then prompts me to look for more. And damage.
Yes, you see the holes. Yes, you see some small holes.
Yeah.
What do larvae eat? Only silk and wool, but also sometimes they might eat some mixed fiber just because there's some wool and some silk in it.
Yeah,
and they would only eat the silk and wool, not the polyester. You can see here that's a moth, usually a bit shiny. It's quite small as well.
This is on a very large scale, but these are tiny. Got some moth feces. This can come up tiny little grains, little sand grains.
It's not the moth that eats the wool and the silk, it's the larvae. So what you need to do is try to catch the flying moth before, then it's less likely you'll have eggs and larvae that would eat your clothes.
We just also wanted to go through some treatment. If you feel that you definitely have moth, you've seen them and you've got evidence of them, we do recommend that you use these items here. We have something called a moth trap, catch the flying moth. We have something that's more for like a wardrobe, hanging. You hang these in amongst your clothes in the wardrobe. And then we've got the moth killer sachets. These are normally used for drawers. They are used for pockets, things that you can just easily pop them in. We've got the sprays. This one here is for your fabrics, and then we've got this one here, which is also used for carpets and fabrics. Can I just also say you don't necessarily have to buy these brands. There are other brands on the market, but these are the ones that we recommend.
If you're not sure that you've got moth but you want the prevention, then we've got some other brand here, cedar wood moth ball. They're very good. The moth doesn't like the smell of it, so they would not stay. On the cedar wood, don't just leave it like that. You have to come and scratch it a little bit.
Reactivate it.
The smell.
Yes.
Yes. So now we've got somebody's coming to the dry cleaners, Vicky, and they know they got moth, so we can recommend that. Would dry clean kill the moth, the eggs?
So dry cleaning would kill the moths.
If it's not dry cleanable, we can then freeze it. Some garments on the care label saying do not dry clean but can be washed. Unfortunately, the wash would not kill. No. So then what we can do, wash the garment and freeze it. We freeze it around 2 weeks and then it's fine.
We also offer that, but also if you have a freezer of your own,
you can do it yourself.
You can do it yourself.
But we've got a big one.
Yeah. I hope we've answered some questions for you today. If you want to ask any other questions in regards to moths or detection or anything like that, just leave a comment under this video and we will certainly get back to you. Or otherwise, please come into the shop or give us a call. We'd love to see you. Have a lovely day, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.